Welcome, all you fabulous speakers out there. Are you ready to take your public speaking skills to the next level? Yes, well, whether you're gearing up for a big debate, delivering a heartfelt speech, starring in a play, or just reading out loud in class, this session is all about helping you shine in the spotlight. So get ready to speak up, speak out, and speak with confidence because you're about to embark on an exciting journey of discovery and growth. Here are 5 rules to follow in order to become better at public speaking. Rule number 1. Never say no to an opportunity to speak in public. How many of you experience fear if you have to speak in public? People are not born public speakers. Instead, it is a skill, which means it can be learned. It may be daunting, but every time you take the stage, you'll gain invaluable experience and confidence. So, go ahead and volunteer. Raise your hand to read out loud in class, even if it's just a small paragraph. Volunteer to give a speech at a school event or assembly, even if it's a short one. Participate in a debate or discussion with your friends or family. All right, rule number 2. Write to select your thoughts. When you're preparing your speech or write-up, take some time to gather your thoughts and organize them in a way that makes sense. Write down your ideas, your arguments, and your key points, and practice delivering them. Have pointers written on a paper in case you want to refer to it while speaking. But also make sure you don't read the entire thing off of a page. Value the time of your audience. They're here to listen to you. Rule number 3. Listen to your voice and practice. Record yourself speaking and listen back to identify areas where you can improve. You are your best critic. Practice in front of a mirror or with a friend or family member. The more you practice, the more confident you will be. Rule number 4. Be authentic. Be yourself. The most effective speakers are those who can connect with their audience on a personal level. So don't try to be someone you're not. Don't copy anyone. Be true to yourself, and your message will resonate with your listeners. And finally, rule number 5. Prepare. Know your subject and have a clear plan for how you want to present it. Start with a powerful hook to grab your audience's attention and end with a memorable conclusion that leaves a lasting impression. Use these pointers to help you remember your key points and make sure to stand naturally with a good posture. Take pauses and short silences to give your audience time to absorb your message, and remember to breathe and smile. Once you've mastered these 5 rules, you can move on to level 2 and focus on engaging with your audience. For this, you need to make eye contact, smile, use hand gestures, and incorporate audio-visual aids to bring your message to life. Now, with these tips, I'm sure you're going to ace any kind of public speaking. But if you're liking these sessions, you need to let me know that you're liking them and that they're helping you. So, leave your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to tell me how your summer vacations have been so far. Are you having fun? What are your plans? What have you been up to? Let me know in the comments. I will see you next time. Take care.